Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl named Jordan or whatever. So today I'll be installing a wig. So first I'm gonna break down my auntie's head, then we go get to it. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. When I'm done braiding down her hair. I kind of forgot to start recording before, but it's all good. Better late than never. So. So y'all, right now I'm taking off the hair glue. Right now as we speak, I'm taking off the little paper that comes in between it so it don't just flow out of the way. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So now I got a pack of the weave, and it's the Organic Body Wave 24-inch. Yes, it is synthetic if you was wondering, but it's all good. We're gonna still slay that hair, okay? So I'm taking it out just to see how it is, to be honest, or whatever. As you can see, that's the type of hair glue that we used. So y'all, right now this is the frontal for the wig. It's the flowiness is really good. The lace is really good in my opinion. It's not big, bold, or anything like that. So that's the lace. That's the frontal that we're going to be putting on the top of my auntie's head. So now y'all, I actually re-glued it, went over and re-glued it again because it was still some spots that didn't have any glue on it. So if it look a little sloppy, this is my first time, by the way, and my auntie's helping me do this wig. So basically I went through the spots that still had gaps in between them, and I put some hair glue in it, and then I put my blow dry on medium and medium high, and I blow dried that hair glue to make sure it don't slip, and yeah, so her frontal don't fall off because she's supposed to be taking pictures tomorrow. So now I was done gluing the frontal, so now we're gluing the tracks. I'm doing the same thing that I did with the frontal, except we're doing the tracks straight across. So as y'all see, this is the front of the hair and how she curled it. By the way, the front piece look, I keep saying frontal is the closure. The closure that she has on top of the wig is not synthetic hair. It's two different types of hair. But if you want to see how we go slay this and make it turn out at the end of the video, then go ahead and
say, this the wig. It turned out cute though. Oh, it look good on camera. Oh my god. Oh, turn the camera around, sis. Wow, this thing.
Yeah, and that's synthetic, baby.
My niece too. My hair looks.
Oh!
She got her little ponytail in too, y'all. Now y'all better like this thing up. I'm sorry, do step by step, but when I do my little voiceover, I'll explain it. I'm sorry, I got tired.
She left me hanging.
I started, but then I got tired.
She literally only did the closure.
I helped you blow dry half of the bag.
I made her be the blow dry person. But other than that, this shit.
What you want to get it?
Oh, Oh, you're getting heavy. Oh, she getting heavy, y'all. This girl weigh about 42.
Okay, put my head up.
Okay, my bad.
So now, y'all, we are actually going through synthetic hair and straightening because it looks better. Because the curly synthetic weave, it looks like Barbie doll hair, to be honest. So we're going through it and straightening the hair because it looks so much better and it blends better. It just all comes together better. So yeah. As you saw, I had to take my beauty cape off. It's all good. So y'all, we decided to cut it down because the ends, they just weren't cutting it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all what we did with the ends of the hair. So we cut it at a diagonal so it could be like kind of like layered. And then after we did that, then we went in with a more of a, I'm trying to see how to explain it, but we went up with the hair and cut it so it could be flared out. I call it a Mexican cut, how it looked before we cut it. Because like the ends were so straight and the hair was thick. So we had to kind of like, bend it and then cut it and make it look, presentable.
Let me see the red tail comb.